Hello there, entrepreneurs and online sellers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going further on our course on how to sell on Konga. So remember, in the first course of the video, we've shared what Konga is, and then we've also shared how to create a seller account on Konga. We talked about the seller platform, and also we've talked about the buyer platform. Okay, so if you are here is because you've seen the first video, and if in any way maybe you just come from Mars, you've not seen the first video, the link is going to be in the video description. You have to see the first video before you can see this particular video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to take you to the step further on how you can complete your registration on the Konga seller headquarter platform so that you can be able to upload your product, which should be the next video after this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do right here, since we've created an account, if you have not signed up, you have to go back and see the first video in the video description below. Okay, so here I'm going to click on login. So because we're going to log in, that is exactly what we are going to do to log in to our platform so that we can be able to see our dashboard and complete the required information that is required of us before we can be able to put in our products. Okay, so ensure that you use the correct email address that you use in signing up in the first place. Okay, so I'm using the email address I used, I can never forget, and the password also I can never forget, and that is what I'm going to use. And right now it's going to log me in to the seller headquarter, and I can be able to see my dashboard on the Konga seller headquarter platform. So look at the smiling face, it's very cool. Okay, so here this is my dashboard on Konga seller platform. So if you look at this place now, it's very simple to use. It's very simple. I can see right here. So here you can see your dashboard, orders, products, warehouse transactions, Konga ads and extras, and a lot of others. So, but first thing, what we are going to do in this video is to complete our registration. So we're going to agree with the terms and conditions, and we're going to look at the orientation guide. We're going to look at how we can upload our valid ID card, and then how we can also upload our passport photograph and verify our bank account. Or you don't want to verify your bank account, okay, so it's very important that you verify your bank account so that whenever you sell your product, you can be able to receive payment. Okay, that is very, even though you don't get anything there, you see that they put this at the last stage. So okay, so this is their terms and condition. Ensure you put the time in to read this thing. They said Nigerians don't usually read terms and condition, but should, as a demonstration of our commitment, blah 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 blah. Just go through it, go through it, go through it. It's lengthy. I think this is why many people don't go through these stuff. But it's okay, go through it. At the end of the day, if you are done going through it, you click on I have gone through the terms and conditions. Okay, because without clicking on this place, you will not be able to click on next. Okay, so the next thing I did is to click on it, see change to green. Look at something, it changes back. So you have to agree with these terms and conditions before you can be able to proceed. So now the next thing is, yes, we've agreed with terms and condition. So, and then it says, please read through the orientation guide. You have to read through this again, because without reading through this, you won't be able to go to the next stage of uploading your ID, valid ID. Yes. So the page is loading, and I'm waiting for it to come back. So let's read a little bit to see what the orientation guide is all about and agree with the orientation guide as well. Okay, it's I think it's PDF. Yes, it's a PDF guide. It has how many numbers of pages? How many numbers of pages? Oops. All right, I think that is why you have this video. Okay, that is why you have this video so that you can be able to know what to do and how to do it. It has 45 pages. Oh my god. So this is a 45 pages orientation guide on how you can sell on Konga, and that is the main reason why I'm doing this video, so that you don't have if you don't have the time to go through all the stress of the reading and stuff, so this video is sufficient for you. But you will have to download this, I guess. So you've already downloaded it, you can go through it at your end. You see, these are the table of contents. You get started, guidelines to selling on Konga, tips for successful sale and production creation, Konga dashboard, fulfillment, order life cycle, blah blah blah. Welcome on board. So this is the orientation guide that uh, Konga was talking about. Okay, so it's very good, great stuff right there. So great stuff right there. So I think I'm doing this video for you so that you'll be able to have these information. So all right, so let's go back to our registration here. Yes, you can now see this option because we've downloaded that orientation guide. So it says the orientation guide will help you understand the entire system flow and how to find your way around it. And that is what this video will also help you to achieve. Okay, so I have gone through the orientation guide. So if you don't click on this won't be clickable. So I click on this and then I clicked on next. Oh, smiling face. All right, so the next thing to do is to upload your valid ID card. So here you can see they specify the type of ID that you can use. You can use your driver license if you have one. You can use your national ID card. That's NIN slip. Yes, the one that has your NIN. So you can, if you have an international passport, you can also use it. Or if you have a voter's card, you can also use it. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be uploading this one right there. So it's very accessible on this system. So I'm waiting for it to load, and it's loaded. I'm going to come to this new folder. That is where I saved it, and I'm going to upload this on. Okay, all right, so it's uploading. Because of the size, it's okay. So you can see that all these parts are becoming greener. Okay, it's still uploading because I've not, this next is okay. All right, the next thing for me to upload is to upload your passport photograph. So I've kind of put this in some particular folders before, so that is why I can just click on choose a file. So you ensure you choose a photo that represents you, that shows your face, that complete. Look at this, my photo right here that is showing my face and my smiling face and my teeth. Okay, so this is a example of passport photograph that you should upload. The background is plain and there's no any distraction in the photo. So I click on it and it's uploading. All right, so we still have to wait a little bit, few seconds for it to complete the uploading, so that we can be able to add our bank account to the platform. Okay, so we now come to the money part. Okay, so I think this is one of the most interesting part of this course on how to verify your bank account. Oh, hey, wait. If you are new here, I want you to do one thing for me. This is a video on how to sell on Konga. We've made a first video that talks about what Konga is and how to get started, how to create a seller account, how to know the seller account from the buyer account. So before you can come to this where we are, the steps we are, you have to see the first video. And if you have not seen it, so that means that you are just coming from mass. Just kidding. So the link to the first video is in this particular video description. You can just stop this right now, go back to the first video and see that one first, so that you can be able to know where we are and get back to this. So the step by steps are very easy to come by. Okay, this is one of the freest and the most easiest things you can ever come across. Okay, all right, so I want to provide a bank account for this because I have some books I want to upload. I'm an author, so I'm going to use, let me check. Okay, oops, let me check. So here you check your bank, check your bank. This I should be able to search. Okay, I should be able to search for, oops, these banks. Okay, just give me the time to check for my bank, as I'm actually looking for. Okay, let me use GT. Okay, so check bank name, fetching account name 0170221172. All right, so it shows my name. Okay, all right, so that means that I still remember my account number. So you can save this account number. So if there is anything you want to, I'm just kidding, but you can just click on proceed. All right, so we can see that, oops, invalid account number, refreshing. What happened right now? Okay, so let's try it again. I think that account is having some issue. It's having some issue. Why is it invalid? Let me click on proceed again to see what is going to tell me. Yes, we okay. Let me change the account number completely. I'm going to use. So hello guys, still welcome back. So without filling this page, you won't be able to proceed to any other thing. So I've notified Konga on their email address and also on Twitter about this error. I think they're having a glitch because my accounts are they are legit. Okay, and there are some of my fellow students that are also trying to do this, but it wasn't going through. So we've laid a complaint. Okay, but here we are right now at the complete of this second video on how to complete your registration, agreeing to the terms and conditions, downloading and agreeing to the orientation guide, uploading your valid ID card, and uploading your clear passport photograph, and also verifying your bank details. So here we are, and this is where the second video will end. Okay, there's going to be a makeup video on the fix. Immediately Konga release a fix to this error. You might not experience this thing, you might not experience it. Okay, so as at the time of your own registration, it might not be like this, but if it does, so just kindly put a comment in the section of this video, because there's going to be a makeup video on the fix to verify your bank detail with Konga. So the report, or yes, no, the query is already laid with the Konga team, and they said they are working on it. Okay, so just give them this little time so that they can work on it. Okay, so on the other hand, I try to visit my store on Konga, this new store that we are creating, and it's going to load right there. So I try to visit the store and it's going to load. Let me see what it brings. So what I'm just saying is this, that this error of verifying bank account is from Konga. Okay, so it's not from your account, in case you see it. So immediately there's a fix, I'm going to put it up right there so that you also can see it. Okay, so for that is the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you are just here, this is a video on how to edit, how to complete your registration on the Konga seller headquarter, how to, then the next video will be on how to upload your product on Konga. Okay, so but since you are here and you've not seen the first video, the first video is on what Konga is and how to get started on it, how to know the seller profile, and also how to know the buyer portal also. So but this is the second video, you have to see the first video to get to this place. So thank you so much. I'm just repeating the same thing again and again, sorry for that. So all right, thank you, and consider subscribing to my channel so that you can see my videos as they come up. Thank you so much. Bye.